In this video, we'll be learning about scanning through Nessus. Nessus is a widely used vulnerability scanning tool. It goes a step ahead of Nmap. In Nmap, we were only able to figure out the services that are running on open ports. Nessus takes scanning and information gathering to the next level by also identifying any possible vulnerability can exist on the service that is running on our target system. In order to start Nessus on Backtrack, you can go to Applications, Backtrack, then go to Vulnerability Assessment, Network Assessment, Vulnerability Scanners, and then finally Nessus Start. For the first time, you have to start Nessus. Once you click on it, you'll get an error that the plugin is missing, and you have to register at nessus.org. This is the first time that we are starting Nessus, and that's why we're encountering this error. Now what you have to do is visit the website and register for a code. Here is the Nessus website, where you can select the use of Nessus, for example, selecting it for use at home. You can accept the agreement and further fill the form. From this, you'll get an activation code on your email. Once you get this activation code, the next step will be to register your Nessus on this system. What you can do is fetch the directory opt/nessus/bin fetch and register along with your registration code. Once you pass on this command, your activation code will be accepted and Nessus will now be ready to run. Once you are done with this, again move to Applications, Backtrack, Vulnerability Assessment, Network Assessment, Vulnerability Scanners, and finally click on Nessus Start. We will then see a message stating that Nessus is running. Now you can move to your browser. After moving the browser, you can now visit localhost at port number 8834. You will see that Nessus is initializing. I've already initialized it since it takes a bit of time to activate. This is how we set up Nessus on a fresh system. Alternatively, we can also work on Nessus either through the Backtrack command line in MSF console. For example, here we have an active MSF session. Now to start Nessus, you first have to check whether your database is connected or not. You can use check db_status. From this, you'll be able to see that Postgres has been connected. Now you can simply pass load Nessus. Nessus should now be initializing and will have successfully loaded the Nessus plugin. Here we can type msf nessus help for a command list. You will then be presented with a list of commands that we can pass to Nessus. As the plugin is loaded, simply typing the help command will also list the Nessus commands in Backtrack. You can see that in order to connect to the server, you can use the Nessus connect command. Furthermore, you can start a simple scan by using the Nessus discover command. Exploits can be discovered using the Nessus report exploit commands, and we can also have the retail report about the host using Nessus report host detail. We can have a new scan, we can have it paused, and we can resume. These are the different options and actions that we can perform while working with Nessus.